Good gal do bad things. In the vibrant streets of Kingston, Jamaica, lived two inseparable friends, Shanice and Asha. They shared everything from secrets to laughter, their bond seemingly unbreakable. But beneath the surface of their friendship lurked betrayal and heartache. Shanice, with her radiant smile and infectious charm, caught the eye of Asha's boyfriend, Marcus. Despite his commitment to Asha, Marcus couldn't resist the temptation Shanice embodied. One fateful night, fueled by desire and reckless impulses and also the energy from the J, Ray and nephew, Shanice and Marcus succumbed to the fiery passion that simmered between them, betraying Asha's trust in the cruelest of ways. Days turned into weeks, and the guilt weighed heavily on Shanice's heart as she faced Asha's unwavering trust and affection. The once vibrant friendship began to wither under the weight of secrets and deceit, but Shanice couldn't bring herself to confess the truth, fearing the irreversible damage it would inflict. However, fate had other plans in store. One evening, Asha stumbled upon a series of incriminating messages on Marcus's phone, revealing the devastating truth of his infidelity with her best friend. Betrayal burned like wildfire in Asha's veins as she confronted Shanice with tear-streaked eyes and a heart heavy with sorrow. In a whirlwind of emotions, anger, and despair, the streets of Kingston bore witness to a fierce confrontation between two friends torn apart by betrayal. Harsh words were exchanged, tears were shed, and the once unbreakable bond shattered like fragile glass beneath the weight of betrayal. As the dust settled and the echoes of their bitter argument faded into the night, Shanice found herself alone, her heart heavy with regret and remorse. With a heavy sigh, she knew that the consequences of her actions had irreparably damaged not only her friendship with Asha but also her relationship with Marcus, who stood by silently, unable to defend the indefensible. With a heavy heart and tears staining her cheeks, Shanice made the painful decision to walk away, knowing that forgiveness was a luxury she could never afford. And as she turned back on wreckage of her past, she vowed to learn from her mistakes and carry the burden of her betrayal as a reminder of the consequences of lust and deceit.